Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever part in the world you are. You know, it's Cook and Inspire back in the kitchen again with Chef Garnet. And I'm going to show you today how I will be doing my fry barbecue with Jack Daniel sauce. You know, so I've seasoned my chicken wings already, you know, with basic seasons like allspice, Cajun season, you know, and I'll be frying it. Then I'll be coating it with my barbecue Jack Daniel sauce, and then I'll be putting it in the oven. So first of all, I'm gonna fry my chicken wings. So here we go. My oil is already hot, and I'm just gonna go in with my chicken wings right now. It was on medium flame, so I bring it up back to high flame. There you go. Let that sizzle for a little while. So what I'll be doing while my chicken wing is frying, I'll be making my Jack Daniel sauce. So wait and see, I'll come back and show you how do I make my Jack Daniel sauce. Yeah, so you have seen how I've done my chicken wings. Nice and golden, you know, all fried up. So now I'm gonna take it to that stage how to make your Jack Daniel sauce. So I've already combined all my liquid already. So what I basically use is soy sauce, the good old Jack Daniel, you know, that's the main ingredients. I've used Worcestershire sauce. If I say it right now, Worcestershire sauce. Yeah. So I should have used Tabasco sauce, but I've used the good old Grace and pepper sauce. That's what I have, so I use it, right? So all my ingredients are already here in this jar. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn my stove on. Yeah. So I'm going to pour in my liquid. All that thing already mixed up already. That away. And what I'm doing now, going in with my sugar. I got about a cup of sugar here for my Jack Daniel sauce. Let me get a spoon. So once I put in the liquid, the sugar, just keep mixing your sugar until it dissolves. Let it dissolve. Mixing that to all them grains. Dissolve. So what I'll be doing now, I add a bit of water to it. There you go. Put a half a cup of water. As I say, I'm Jamaican, I don't use measurement. I just know when to stop. Right? So don't be saying now, oh, that's not half a cup of water. It is for me. Yeah. Let me take it through that. Just keep mixing it. Right. What I'll be doing also is going with some pineapple juice. Right, so I'll use around half a cup of pineapple juice to do my sauce. Half a cup pineapple juice. Put that in there. And what you're gonna need is your chopped onions. Normally we use red onion, but I haven't got any red onions. I'm pretty sure it's onion, and it's white onions you use as well. So in goes my white onions. this is additional. You know, I've got some chopped garlic. I'm going in with some chopped garlic, about 2 teaspoons chopped garlic, and some lemon juice. About half a cups of, not half a cups of lemon juice, but quarter cups of lemon juice. And just keep mixing that. Yeah. This is optional as well. I like my Jack Daniel's sauce a bit sweety and sticky, so I'll be going in with some honey. You know, so it's organic honey. I'll be going in with. So you put in all of that mixture in there. There you go, honey. And just bring that to a boil till it get thickened. Then I'll come back and show you when it's done and I'm gonna dip my chicken wings, and then I'm gonna put them in the oven for around 5 minutes, and then I'll show you. I'll come back to you when my sauce is thick. Here we have it now, our Jack Daniel's sauce. I've already put some aside for my dip for my chicken wings. So what I'm gonna do now, and you see my sauce is nice and thickened, you know, so I'll be dipping my chicken wings in my sauce and then put them in the oven for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then I'll take it out and then present it to you. Yeah, and that will be nice and juicy. You know, we're looking for the juiciness of the chicken wing and the sweetness of the Jack Daniel's sauce. So I already put away some of my Jack Daniel's sauce for my dip for my chicken wing. So this is how I'm gonna coat my chicken wing. So I just get them like that, then put them in the sauce. Yeah, let them soak for around a minute. So I'll do this and then I'll come back and show you when I take it from the oven and then present it to you. Our Jack Daniel's sauce with our fried barbecue chicken wings. I'm telling you, man, I'm so excited about this. I can taste it already. I've already tasted the sauce and it is delicious. Catch you on the next one. Yes, so here we are now at with our finished dish, which is our fried barbecue chicken wing with Jack Daniel's sauce. It is nice and lovely, and I've served it with some callaloo rice. How beautiful that is. So don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment and share this video. And leave in the comment section if you want me to cook a dish. Just give me that challenge. Tell me what to cook and I'll cook it. There's one person who leave a comment a couple days ago, which is Mark. Mark challenged me to cook a brown stew chicken. So I'll be doing that video very soon, Mark. Don't worry, look out for it. It's coming. So here it is. Our Jack Daniel's sauce with our fried barbecue chicken wing. Until next time, cook and inspire. Peace out.